All right, good morning. It's Thursday. Girls are getting ready for school. Emily and Abigail, and Emily's got drama this morning.
And her mom, and Mommy's going to it.
And here comes Mama.
Late,
Yep.
of course. Come on, get back up. Let's go.
All right, so gotta get going. All right, hope everyone has a good day today. All right, there goes the family. Man, what a crazy looking day. It's supposed to be a nicer day today. I think, no, this is cold weather coming in. So it's supposed to get really cold down here. So anyway, headed off to work. All right, we're about to leave. Headed to Cordele, Georgia, our bust. Packing up, everybody. There's gonna be 4 of us: Mark, Casey, Robin, and me. Guy in the red, Bob, he's not going.
Say see you later.
Hey, is he coming to Speedfest
See you, Case.
again this year?
Casey wants to go.
No, he didn't come last year.
Have fun. Enjoy.
All right.
Deal.
No Jason Ellis.
Good luck, 51.
That's right.
Rob's realizing you have no Sirius XM anymore.
We're rolling without Sirius XM, bummer.
Hi, Ryebreads.
Rolling out. Alright, so we got a couple miles to South Carolina and the truck died. So it's a normal thing that happens with this truck for some reason. But if we go elsewhere, the truck doesn't die. I think it might have to do with something with towing the trailer or something like that. Mark changed out the gas pedal, which they've done before. I think it might be a fuel deal, but since we're here, we're gonna take advantage and go get some lunch. All right, now we're at a gas station getting lunch. Subway gas station. Okay, we had to stop again. We went to the auto parts store now to see if we can get this thing rectified and fixed, and also the code turned off. And they were able to turn off the code, which was nice.
We have a problem.
Alright, so we're in Brazelton, Georgia, where we just hit another snag with the trip here. Once again, the check engine light came on, the truck wouldn't go over 40 miles an hour, and we're going to go try and find another auto parts store, see if we can get this thing fixed. All right, welcome to Stockbridge, Georgia. We're at another truck stop. This is the Raceway. Filling up the fuel again, bathroom break, all the above. Looks like we may get there around 7 or 8 tonight. So the truck's been running good since we left the last place, so that's good news. All right, so we're deep in Georgia now. I think we're about 20 minutes from where we're supposed to end up in Cordele, Georgia. How long? 17 miles. The truck's been acting very good. I don't want to jinx it, so that's all I'll say. And we're stopping to get gas again, and now we're getting ready to dinner.
So we made it to the racetrack.
I'm hungry.
Yay! Chris Motorsports Park. We're here. We're gonna drop off the trailer, and then we're gonna head to our hotel, which isn't that far down the road.
Yeah, this building had just been started.
All right, so there's the racetrack. I guess you can't see it. Yeah, you can't get a good view. But there's one of the race haulers. There's some more race haulers over here. And this was the place we were at last time, the grandstands. So, man, somebody's cooking steak. It smells amazing. All right, welcome to the resort we're staying at. We got a flag out front. This place looks swanky. It's like the dining hall over there. There's a big lake back there, golf course. I got the retreat. Look at this place. That's a good looking hat.
Just found it.
Do they don't have reservations or what? All right, and this place has a pool too. Look at this. This is awesome. Oh, and there's a hot tub. There's a hot tub. But guess what? We're not staying here. They don't have a reservation, or they gave away all the rooms or something. I don't even know. Doesn't matter. But we gotta go find our own hotel. We're not staying here. I guess we don't look good enough. We're not cool enough anyway. All right, gotta get out of here. Go get our own hotel.
Wendy's, what do you want to do?
I don't know. Let's go eat.
Yeah, I just got to pee with Wendy.
All right, go pee. Well, I'm in room 205. This place looks a little above average. Got the Bible. All the drawers are open. I don't know why they did this, but whatever. Made it to a hotel room. We're getting dinner. I'm going. All right, it's 10 something, like 10:20. We're having dinner. Not sure if you can tell this is a Taco Bell. But yeah, we're in downtown Cordele, Georgia, at a Taco Bell. And we're having tacos for dinner. Really, really late. Okay. So I guess there's a train track right outside the hotel right here. Rob let me know that. All right, I'm editing the vlog. You guys be the best human being you can be, and we'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to bed.